musore ushobora kuburusha ubwiza ndareba navuga Melodie
So the foundation is called the Cherie Silver Foundation. And what we do is we train young people by giving them the skills in the arts to lift themselves out of poverty. I've seen that in the arts, the people that get the access are usually people that can afford to pay for training. But, you know, we are sponsoring that training so that everyone has an equal opportunity. And we're also giving young people access to the industry, opportunities to perform, which you may have seen in Giants of Africa and Time 100s. We're producing music for these kids. So we're really trying to make these kids stars, and we're trying to make their dreams come true. Because I believe that no matter where you come from, if you have a dream, you deserve to at least try to make it possible. I want these kids to follow their dreams and be in this industry because I did. I also understand not everyone is able to use their talent. Some people, they can sing and they never get noticed. So I actually, you know, want them to be able to make the most of it because it's worked for me and it's my full-time job. And yeah, so for the kids, we're going to be releasing music. Some songs are about Rwanda, some songs about many different things. On top of that, they're going to be performing, and you know, we've already got a few dancers traveling around the world. And you know, we really just want to create the future stars of Rwanda, but also making sure that the kids have food at home, they have health insurance, they're taken care of. So the Cherie Silver Foundation is really about the well-being of young people, no matter their situation.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming on the red carpet, manager we watching RXC alongside one of the best African musicians, of course from 250, Tiger B, the band. America Brucemelodie, alongside one of the best Tanzanian vocalists, O.B.D. Pose, on the red carpet. Big round of applause for them. Boy Kazi, Tiger B, and of course, O.B.D. Pose. Wow. Bafata agafoto bamera neza cyane.
Deveni ndetse na Pamela bakaba basesekaye muri Century Park.
Posing and taking pictures. Wow, this is an amazing night, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we call Black Airways. Yes. Yeah, but in the Queen represents our people. Kuhande Wasa, now we can produce. Arinaho, ayakua kuweza kujipo kama kuri red carpet. This is amazing. Kigali post beds. Yeah. Arawanda yule na ajakuwa